Hey YouTube, Neil Topian here once again. Just wanted to make a quick video, show you what I'm smoking here. This is my German-made pipe my brother got for me about a year before he passed away. A little tassel on it. The only one I have with a windscreen on it. Of course, I'm smoking some hazelnut in it, and pretty good little pipe. It does have the odd round bit on it. See if you can see that there. There, it shows up better. So it's more difficult to clench in your teeth, but that's typical German pipes, of the old style German pipes. Anyway, the reason for this video, PA pipe guy sent me a message, and I hadn't thought of it before. He asked if Pipe Pop Son had a channel on YouTube, and he does. It's mknchng. Hang on a minute. How does he spell it? mknchng. mknchng. And I believe when he was in the group with Pops and his mom, that for a while that's what they called the group, mknchng. And his name is Mark Makin. And he said sure, he'd love to have more people visit his channel. So feel free. It's mknchng, mknchng on YouTube, and just put it in and go sub to him. And he's got a few videos up there and different things he does, and he's really a nice guy. So go and give him a look-see and see what you think. Anyway, this is the old Topian. You've seen my ugly mug about 3 times today, so that's probably enough for anybody. Sorry about the quality of the videos, but I've been using the webcam just to get them up quick. Anyway, that's about it. That's all I had, and keep them smoking, and I'll see you down the road.